A very good morning to you and welcome to the Morning Outlook Report. I'm Rachel Jones reporting live from Kalkine TV Sydney studios. Now, the Australian share market is set to open higher this morning. According to the latest SPI futures, the ASX 200 is likely to open the day 9 points higher or 0.1% higher. Yesterday, the ASX closed higher also across the sectors. 10 out of 11 closed in the green. Healthcare was the dominating sector. Energy, utilities and materials also helped lift the ASX. At the closing bell, the S&P ASX 200 was 0.9% or 63 points higher at 7,355. The best performing sector was healthcare, up 3.9%. The worst performing sector was real estate investment trust, down 0.4%. The best performing stock was Nanosonics, closing 7.5% higher at $6.34. The worst performing stock was Pilbara Minerals, closing 9.1% lower at $2.51. On to some business news from this morning now. Rio Tinto will buy the Rincon lithium project in Argentina for $825 million. That says the global miner builds its battery minerals business. Now, Rincon is a large undeveloped lithium brine project located in the heart of the lithium triangle in the Salta province of Argentina, an emerging hub for greenfield projects. The project is a long-life, scalable resource capable of producing battery-grade lithium carbonate. It has the potential to have one of the lowest carbon footprints in the industry that can help deliver on Rio Tinto's commitment to decarbonise its portfolio. Moving on, and the Sunland Group has completed the settlement for the sale of its Ingleside property in New South Wales. The sale price was $35.3 million and it's generated a net profit after tax of $11.9 million. Directors have therefore declared a fully franked special dividend of 10 cents per share, payable on the 13th of January. And Hall Social Infrastructure REIT has acquired 2 childcare portfolios comprising 21 properties for a purchase price of $134.3 million. The Western Australian portfolio comprises 18 childcare centres and has a current weighted average lease expiry of 12.5 years. The total purchase price of $100 million reflects a purchase yield of 4.63%. And Sonata Therapeutics, a clinical stage biotechnology company specialising in cell therapeutics, has announced its clinical trial of CYP0060K in patients with diabetic foot ulcers has started and is now open for patient enrolment. Well, now it's time for a short break, but stay tuned for more news set to affect your trading day.
Hi, I'm Sage, and get ready to take the crypto ride with me on Kalkine TV. Watch the crypto buzz every Tuesday and join the excitement at Kalkine TV. From Bitcoins to NFTs to Dogecoin and DeFi, we have updates about everything around these digital currencies. Understand the investing rationale and the risks involved in the space with me, Sage, on Crypto Buzz. Keep watching Kalkine TV.
Welcome back to the Morning Outlook Report. Taking a close look at overnight trade on Wall Street now, and the Dow Jones ended up 1.6%. The S&P 500 is up 1.78% and the Nasdaq settled 2.4% higher. US President Joe Biden says he would be taking steps to fight the Omicron variant by opening federal testing sites in New York City and buying 500 million at-home tests Americans can order online for free. Investors are cautiously optimistic that the economic hit would not be as severe this time, buying stocks and selling perceived safe haven currencies such as the dollar and the Japanese yen. MSCI's gauge of stocks across the globe was up 1.52%. Oil prices rebounded from concerns the spread of Omicron would crimp demand for fuel and signs of improving supply. WTI was last up 3.99% to $71.35 a barrel. Brent was up $74.10 a barrel. That was 3.61% higher. And gold prices did fall yesterday. That's after the dollar recovered some lost ground And the appetite for riskier assets returned, with investors looking past the economic risks posed by Omicron. US Gold futures settled down 0.3% at $1,788. Meanwhile, cryptocurrencies gained ground. Bitcoin added over 3%, up $68,000, 647 cents. Well, that's all for the Morning Outlook report for here on Kalkine TV for now. Have a great day trading. Stay tuned for more market updates and economic news live throughout the day. This is Rachel signing off for now.